Hello, today we will be talking about Storybird. If you can go to www.storybird.com. When you get to that website, the first thing that's going to come up is a story that someone has done. It's called There is a New Kind of Bully in Town. This website is a great tool that people can use in their classrooms, schools, or at home. This helps students practice their writing and their reading and other great tools that shows them how to use on the computer. Well, the first thing you would have to do is you would have to log in like I have. I go to the U part, I go to my dashboard, and here I have already logged in. You have your profile, unpublished, hearted, following, and followers. Then you can go to create because you would create a story. Once you log in, you will come up with your username and then your password. And then you go to create. Create here, this is where you're going to create your story. There's all kinds of different types of artwork. They're under the tab that says some artwork tags. You can have cream, fairy the world, your family adventure, broomsticks, women. The list just goes on and on. If you scroll down, you can see the list continuing. Or if you would like to search for other artwork, you can also do that. Once that you know that you are ready to do a story, you will pick a design. So for example, we will pick this one of the iPod. You'll click it and it's going to say what it is, hierarchy of music. It's all kinds of different types of music. Here's more different kinds of artwork. But if you would like to use this one, or if you would like to use, let's say this one, the adapted. Okay, you go up here and you press use this artwork for a story. You press it, and then your artwork will be here. It says you would drag your artwork here, and you will write your story here. So for example, we will drag, this one is here. Okay, we've already dragged it. And then here you can start writing what you would like to write about your story. For example, you can write, the fish is in a purple car. The fish looks happy that he is in his purple car. And you can continue to do the sentences that you would like to do because it depends on what grade level that you're doing this. For example, I may be writing this story for students that are in first grade. Now when you're done, if you look down here, you'll have your cover and then you have your first page. And remember that each time that you're doing a page, it keeps saving itself. If you read down here, it says last saved at 9:04. It continues to save automatically. When you're ready to add another page, you come to the little plus sign at the bottom of your screen, and you have another page. And here you may want to add this scenario, the cars that are driving on the freeway or on a road, and then you can write another story. The cars are driving on the freeway to go to work. And then you can add a question. Do you see the purple car that belongs to the fish? And that'll keep the students guessing. And then you can continue as many pages as you would like your story to be. You can let it continue. Then when you want to save it, you just press save, and it's telling you it's been saved. And then you can go to the menu. You can go like to save and close. That means you're going to close it out, or you can go to publish. And when you go to publish it, you're going to publish it for other people to see. So let's go to save and close because I do not want to publish it because it's unfinished because I'm not finished with my story. But once you go to, let's say you go back to create, here you can see the recently added artwork because they keep adding artwork every day, different kinds. You can just see, and the students can use their imagination. But as a teacher, just make sure you stay behind them and you're watching what kind of writing that they're writing. If they need help with their writing, you would just let them know. But if you want to go back to the top of your page, you just press the little arrow that's at the top of your screen, and it takes you to the top part. Also, for example, if you want to go and find information about your profile, you may do that. It'll tell you what you've published, what you have not published, your public profile, it'll let you know. Or if you just want to explore, you can go to explore. And when you're exploring here, you will be able to read other people's stories. There's authors who publish theirs. There are story spotters. There's different kinds of categories. For example, if you want to read stories on education, you press education, and someone has written this one, and this person has also posted up his picture. It says Happy Holidays, and then you can just read the story. That's the cover, and then you go, and it has 17 pages. And then you just read the story to your class. You can do this as a lesson, or you can do it individually. And that is just basically it. If you go to www.storyboard.com and use it in your everyday class, it'll really help you and your students. And if you have any questions, we can answer all the questions that you may have at the end. Thank you so much.